Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to mute a chat on the Zangi app. If you want to control notifications from specific chats without leaving them, this guide will make it easy and quick to manage your conversations effectively. First, open the Zangi app on your phone. Navigate to the chat section by tapping the chat icon located at the bottom left. Next, locate the chat that you want to mute. Press and hold on that chat until additional options appear on the screen. Then, look for the mute icon at the top of the screen and tap on it. You will see several options for how long you want to mute the chat. You can select from 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, 1 day, or until you manually turn it back on. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Finally, after selecting your preferred mute duration, the chat will be silenced and you will no longer receive notifications from that conversation until the time period ends or you re-enable notifications manually. This helps you stay focused without distractions. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might find it helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.